All right, good afternoon or morning. So this is just going to be a quick video, kind of show you the layout of the new homepage. This is pretty much going to be the way it is for the rest of the year. There's going to be some tweaks and changes, but for the most part, this is going to be the final product. So kind of just breaking down the website. So if you should access it through your choice board that you receive from your homeroom teacher. All right, so the home screen is just the home, and it's just got my contact information, and as well as the office hours. Once I get WebEx started, I'll have that information here. I have not done that yet. So that's the home page. Not a lot's going to change on that. Uh, so starting the week. So the next little on the top of the website, that's going to be the current week that we're on. So a little bit different than last week where I had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This week I just have the date range. You're going to have to click on it, and then you're going to have to select the day. And so selecting the day, you're going to notice on the bottom of each day, I'm going to have the resources from that day. So for Monday's resources, it's going to have the slideshow that I did. It's going to have the practice journal pages that you worked on, and so that's it for that day. So every day may have slightly different resources, but every day, maybe Thursday won't have. Yeah, every day should have some type of resource. And then on Friday, even though we don't give new material on Friday, I still want you to check Fridays because, for example, this Friday I'm going to have a survey that I want you guys to do. And then at the end of the week, I have things like such as extra practice. All right. So if you want some additional practice, you can go ahead and pull up that worksheet. Okay, so that's for the week. All right. Then you have the resources, and that's going to be just kind of just general resources. The only thing I have right now is your big ideas information, how to get onto big ideas. So there'll be some stuff added to it as the days go on. And then past weeks, that's going to be where you had all the previous weeks and days. All right. So I'll probably change it on Sunday. I'll move all the current. I'll move it in. If it's the week that just ended, I'll move it into the past weeks, and then have the new link up for the current week. All right. So let's go ahead and do a quick overview on how the daily lessons should look like. So on Monday, so click on Monday. So Monday, I'm going to usually have some little video, and I'm also going to have a weekly message from you. In this particular week, you should hopefully be accessing it by now, the tutorial. You do not have to watch my videos, all right? I will not be offended. But I just give it to you just to, I don't know, to break the ice. So let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday is probably the better example of similar to the typical day is going to look like. So in the dark blue at the top is going to be your what we're doing for the day, so solving inequalities using addition and subtraction for this day. And then below that, you're going to have some information, just reminders. It's not going to change every day. I'm just going to copy it every day. If it does change, if it's something big, I'll give you guys a little video. If it's something minor, then I'll just bold it or write change. And then I actually got this out of order, but I'll fix it. Then you're just kind of a snapshot of what we're doing every day. I'm going to post it the same thing every day. It's just a snapshot of the week. And then the warm-up review. All right. So I want you guys to try your best to do these warm-ups. I'm real big on them. It's stuff that we kind of forget about. We just need that constant practice. Do the warm-ups first, then watch the video. I'm not grading these, so it's okay. Now's the time. You're not going to be embarrassed or feel left out. Now is the time you can work on these in the privacy of your home, and then watch the video. Now, for my videos, I'm going to give you guys the answers. If you're good to go, you got them all right, or you have no questions, you saw your mistake, feel free to stop the video and move on to the lesson. And then we'll have the start thinking question. Sometimes I have you record it in Google Forms. Other times I just want you to think about it or talk to somebody or write it down. And then I'll start getting into the notes. So blast from the past, that's from previous notes from algebraic expressions. And then I go to vocabulary and key ideas. It's not going to be every day because some days, like tomorrow, we're just doing word problems with the same vocabulary and key ideas. If it's helpful for me to copy it, then let me know. And then we get into the examples. Now, you can do the examples on your own first and then watch the video. It's up to you, but I'm not expecting you to be able to do them before watching the video. So if you can do it, then great. If you can do it by looking at the notes, then awesome. If not, you're not expected to. So that's what the videos, the examples are for. But then on your own, that's what I really want you to work on your own, right? Do them first, then watch the video, right? And then, so it's just more examples. I'm just going to different. Sometimes we'll have more than one concept per day. So the first section was solving inequalities using addition. This is using subtraction. A couple more examples, and then on your own section once again. And then we get to the independent practice. So the independent practice is going to be sometimes it's going to be through big ideas, and sometimes it's going to be through the Google Forms like I had last week. By the time you're looking at this page, I should have a video right there explaining instructions on how to get into big ideas. And then finally, you have your exit ticket, and that's just going to be where you're giving me feedback on what you learned today. Not graded. It's just, I just want to see I just want to get a gauge on where you're at. All right, so that's the end of this tutorial, and I hope this is a much better system and much smoother this week. If not, please let me know, and we'll get it fixed. If there's issues, just be patient. I'm probably working on something else at the time. I'll get to it. Okay. All right. You guys have a good day.